Being Abdulrahman Kamara, being an independent journalist, as part of me working at the Kingho mining company, they are the Pepel who say they host most of the facilities. Today I come for actually understand what it constitutes part of the challenges na the rail. How do you do?
So, thank you, Pa.
So how do you work na this rail? What's really the help here?
Well, as you can see, we're there on rail maintenance.
What's on rail maintenance? What's really that mean?
When they say rail maintenance, simply means when they come for make the railway where the train they go able fly through for bring the iron ore from Tonkolili to Pepel when at the dump site.
How many kilometers of the rail from Tonkolili to Pepel?
Well, the kilometers from Tonkolili to Pepel are 192 kilometers, and we get 9 crossing points where they link to the main line.
Since the transition, we will take over full operation, right? Would I actually own the railway?
The railway as a property is owned by the Sierra Leone government. The company, they use the facility to carry out the project.
Tell me a little bit about some of the challenges we, since we inherit this thing, we will encounter, and I want to hope for fix some of the challenges.
Well, talking about challenges, we have numerous challenges we face because since the government of Sierra Leone hand the project over to Kingho, immediately we take over the railway, the clips of the rails.
When you say clips, what do you refer to as clips?
If you see this,
can you point them for me?
These are the clips.
This?
Where the handle, yes.
Okay.
Where they clip this thing for like come out.
What do they do with them?
Well, they use it for meta purposes. Well, the end user, not going to determine.
You mean people in the tea farm?
Yes, definitely. Then also another biggest challenge what we get where we work on the bridges them. We get this kilometer 2, then we get kilometer 40. Them bridges then they be built them from 1930. You can imagine up to now it's about 90 years. So we need a thorough assessment of the bridges then they for let them give a good safety a report where go make the trains a begin run.
Now you talk of maintenance. You go able to get any timeline when the maintenance go actually near completion phase?
I can say the maintenance, we don't do 95% of the maintenance. By January, we don't finish with the maintenance and full operation for don't carry out.
Nabe, I want to tell you thank you for this wonderful response.
Thank you very much, Mr. Brahman. Yeah.
Let's begin to ask you, how many wagons you get in total since you take over?
For now, we get a total number of 906 wagons, but the wagons are in 2 different sets. The first set get a loading capacity of 78 tons. We have to say that one day it gets 591 wagons. The other set get a loading capacity of 70 tons. We then they get something like 350 wagons. So all they form a total of 906 wagons.
What are the current state of the wagons?
The majority of the wagons they get issues because wagons in working in normal working cycle now 6 years, and the wagons they are done for more than 6 years. So they get so many challenges there in terms of replacing their parts like the brakes, like the system. Yeah, so for now we try for we all get the order some parts them for make we can do the replacements, but the parts are on the way.
How soon I expect the arrival of the spares?
Hopefully at the end of this month we expect the arrival of the spare parts, so that when they come now we're able to do the necessary work we're supposed to do.
Mohamed, this facility or this what they call ya?
Well, this facility then call on the rail maintenance workshop for locomotive maintenance.
How many locomotives will I get in total?
Well, in total we get 10 locomotives.
Since Kingho take over operations, how will I go about with the maintenance process?
Currently, we not started with the maintenance because we get shortage of spare parts, and the engineers then wait for do the work. Since we be don't close for like 2 years. Most of the locomotives them, they be done pack and they know they function well. Then also we need spare parts for the maintenance. Then also we need the engineers there where they can do the work, but you know do it on the ground.
Okay. When I get Sierra Leoneans, we get the capability for operating locomotives there?
Of course, yes. We don't make sure that we don't train beaucoup locals then, we are Sierra Leoneans then, both male and females. We make sure that we don't train them as drivers, operators, mechanics. We make sure that we don't train them effectively. And also we get plan for employ more Sierra Leoneans because now we look towards the local content policy.
Once I thank you for you grant me this opportunity for ask you some questions
You're welcome.
Around the maintenance.
You're welcome, and we wish for see you next time and for getting interview from you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.